The day was 29th of April 2020. I lost everything, literally everything. So prior to that, that was 2019, I started my online journey and I've been making money online using my digital devices, my mobile phones and my PC. That's what I used to make money online. So on the day 29th of April 2020, that was when I lost everything, literally everything. Just a year into me making money online, I lost everything. You can just imagine how devastating that is, right? Very, very devastating. So what happened on that day was thieves made into our house, and yes, they made away with my two mobile phones, my computer, and my 2 terabyte external drive. And that drive contains literally everything that I've been using to help me make money online. So it was like I lost everything. So quickly my mind started thinking, what am I going to do next? Now that I lost literally everything, what am I going to do next? So that's when everything actually changed for me. Yes. So it was actually, should I say a disaster, or that's not disaster. It was something unfortunate, but through that unfortunate happening, I discovered something new. I discovered the other part of myself, right? So luckily for me, before me losing those assets, I was having some money in my online account. So once I lost all those things, literally everything, what I did was to sacrifice my last penny in my online account to buy a different device. All I had to do is to get somebody's phone, log into my online account, then go ahead, withdraw all the money, use it to go and buy another phone. I didn't think twice about it because I know with a smartphone, if I have it, I can make something again to replace whatever or to get back whatever I've lost. So that was it. And once I bought that phone, something happened. What happened was I had a skill earlier. So I decided to leverage on that skill. Leveraging on that skill gave me the platform that you are seeing today. If you are watching from this Serene YouTube channel, it's because I decided to utilize a skill that I already have. For a moment, let's forget about the fact that I lost everything, because at the end of the day, I was able to get all those things back. Like I was able to make money, get all those things back within the shortest possible time. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to do it so that you can also do the same thing. It's very simple. Life is made to be simple. Why complicate simple stuff? Why do you have to complicate simple stuff? Now let's get to it. So this is what I did. I was having a skill set. Now, if you don't have any skill set, try and start, learning one today. I have a skill set which is graphic designing. Now I learned this late 2018. So when this thing happened in 2020, I already have that kind of skill, that is graphic designing. All right, I already have the skill because I developed it for almost 2 years before the incident, right? So I already have this skill. What I did was to start using my smartphone that I bought after the incident. Start using that smartphone to design, because at that time I wasn't having the laptop at then, so I was only having the smartphone. So I have no other option than to utilize that smartphone to design a graphic. Now, if you go back to some videos on this YouTube channel, you'll find out that I teach basically literally everything you need to know about smartphone graphic design, right? If you go back, you're going to see that. Now, using that smartphone, I realized that a lot of people were just like me at the time. They want to learn how to design graphic. They want to learn graphic designing, but then they don't have computer. They don't have those big, devices for that. But they have smartphone and they still want to learn. So how do we do that? That is where the idea comes that, yeah, you already have the skill of graphic designing. Why don't you just impart these individuals that want to learn? So I started teaching a lot of people for free. Literally free, no fee attached, right? But then it got to a point that I was like, why not? Let me just charge them a penny to teach them. So I began charging In this case, I'm selling my skill set. That's what I want you to pick from here. I started charging. That is me selling my skill set, right? So I started charging, and I get customers. They come, I teach. They come, I teach, and also design for people everywhere, right? I design for people, I get paid. I design for people, I get paid. I've been doing that for so long, and yes, it helped me a lot. So this is one thing that I want to show you, that if you want to make money, you first need a skill. It can be forex trading. It can be you training people on, let's say, fitness. It can be you training people on how to cook, teaching people on graphic designing, teaching people on cryptocurrency. There's a whole lot of things out there. What is more important is you knowing what you are doing, that people begin to trust, like you. Once they begin to trust and like you, then you are good to go. Because if they don't trust and like you, meaning there's no way they are going to give you their money if they want something. They will better go and give it to somebody that they like and trust, since you are not in a position to be trusted. So this is it. If you have the skill set, try to build that credibility. How do we build the credibility? This is what matters right now in this day and age. You need to start putting yourself online on social media. Begin to showcase what you do. Let the world see what you do. You cannot be a champion in your own room. You got to, come out. Let the world know that indeed you are a champion, but not a champion in your own room. No, that is not possible, right? It's not possible. So whatever you do, whatever skill set that you have right now, that you try to make money off it, just come out with it. Let the world know that yes, so and so individual has this skill set. So if we need something, you can go to this person. For instance, some people right now approach me to teach them about YouTube stuff. That's because I have some knowledge about YouTube. I know how things work. I know my way around it. And some people also approach me to learn about forex trading. That's because I have knowledge about it. They approach me to learn about crypto because I have knowledge about it. They approach me to learn about graphic design because I have knowledge about it. And I showcased it. I showcase it. So there's another channel that I have. I showcase about crypto and forex over there. Even on this channel, I showcase some crypto stuff over here, right? So people begin to realize that indeed this guy has some knowledge about crypto, has some knowledge about this also, and so yes, that is fair. Because just imagine I'm sitting in my own room, I do not showcase this. How will people get to know about it? So it's important that whatever skill you have, you showcase the skill to the world, then you get paid for it. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. This is a summary of the video. Get a skill set, showcase that skill set by putting it out on social media. Once you put it out, you build the credibility. Putting it out means you building credibility, building trust, letting people know that you are indeed good at what you do. And the next thing is people coming to you to offer you money in exchange of your skill set. It's as simple as that. Do not complicate it. So today, if your skill set is how to sing, trust me, you can start making videos about singing. It can just be you singing, putting it online. If your skill set is how to cook, go ahead. Show people that you know how to cook. Put it online. A friend will tell another, and another will also tell another. That way, you are growing with a snowball effect. You know the snowball effect, right? When it's rolling, begins piling up, piling up. Yeah, that's it. There's no way, there's no rocket science principle around this. It's very simple. You have the skill set, you showcase it, people come, you charge. That's it. Like, they give you money in exchange of value. But if they're not getting value for their money, what do you expect them to come for again? So it's equally important that as you're developing your skill set, make sure you know your way out. Know exactly what you're doing. and make sure you do it best.